Hello, guys. Welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Spotify Premium MOD APK 2026. I'm going to show you a very good working method. Right. So in this video, I'll be telling you why the Premium MOD APK stopped working and what you can do about it. Yes. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button and also like. It really helps a lot. So let's get right into the video. So last year, a lot of people have been experiencing how the MOD APK stopped working, got blocked, and can't log into the account, and a lot of problems. So I'm going to tell you why it being get blocked, because Spotify always updates their app. So once they update the app, if they dictate any illegal mode APK, they get it blocked, right? So if you don't want to get that kind of experience, or you're tired and you can't pay for the legal one, all you need to do is try out YouTube Music, Happy Music, and Cloud Sound. I think they're very good and also free. Right. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.